bagong tanggap na naman tayo. Ano bang motor to? Hindi ko na nililiver lang dito eh. Ano bang motor yun? Big bike to eh, big bike yung sagot sa akin. So ganito lang yung talaga. Wala yung wire, so sabi ko wala yung wire. Siya rin daw bala. Na-rewind na to dati. Yung una, bilang ko ulit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 45, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44. So, nasa 44, nasa 45. Yan yung bagong tanggap natin na big bike daw. Yung makakalak natin ito ngayon. So, bukas na lang ito. Thank you very much sa matatapos natin ito mamaya din. Thank you. Yan, unang winding sa 3-phase nagawa na natin. 3-phase first winding. Second winding sa 3-phase. Tapos na. Isang winding na lang. Ayan, ready na. Ready na for pick up.